Hello YouTube, here's a classic American muscle, the 1968 Shelby GT500. This is a recent casting from 7 years ago, I believe in 2013. Oh, that makes it 8 years ago. So this is the first release in red with the white stripe on the hood, as well as the side stripe, the GT500 script. So I added details like the headlights and the silver trim on the bumper, but you can see the Shelby script on the hood, the heat extractors. Looks really nice. It is sitting in this MC5 wheels. Looks great. It's plastic. You can see the GT500 script as well as the Cobra badge in the fender. There's also the door lines, door handles, side intake. Looks menacing, rolls well, of course, it's a Hot Wheels. So the 1968 model has this squarish fog lamps on the grille. Looks interesting, still looks great anyways. So I believe it powers a 427 Cobra Jet engine, if I'm not mistaken. There's the black plastic interior. It's rather dark because the windows are tinted black. There's also a Hot Wheels logo below the side vents. But man, I can't get enough of that Shelby script on the hood. Looks very awesome. There's the heat extractors. Looks awesome as well. Now we move on to the back. Not much else to see here except for the silver trim on the bumper. You can see the taillight is already red. I like the dual tip exhaust as well as the reverse lamps down below. Looks great. I like the overall proportions, it's right. And the wheels are the same diameter. Nothing goofy going on. There's the plastic base with decent details underneath. You can see the leaf spring, the muffler, and the exhaust. So a decent casting from Hot Wheels. So there you have it, the 1968 Shelby GT500. Please check out my other videos. The screen is off. That's all there is to it.